In North San Antonio, off of Interstate 10 in Vance Jackson, is this cozy two-story home at 2142 Border Mill Drive. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,120 square feet. Let's take a look inside. Upon entry, the first thing you notice is the updated flooring and paint. The living room is huge and very open, along with the fireplace. The kitchen is also wide open, with updated fixtures and appliances and a wonderful view of the backyard. The pantry/laundry room is honestly one of the biggest I've ever seen. There's only one word needed to describe the master bedroom, and that word is huge. The master bathroom is nice and spacious with a double vanity. All of the bedrooms in the home are carpeted and come with ceiling fans, and they all have a good amount of space rivaling the master bedroom. The secondary upstairs bathroom is also nice and cozy, just like the master. The backyard has a concrete deck, perfect for grilling and entertaining guests, and there's plenty of space for the kids and pets to run around freely. The home is also literally just steps away from a private neighborhood park and walking trail. This home is ready for new owners as well as new memories.
For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.